to Math Solver 1117, where we turn scary look maths into simple steps that actually make sense. Today we are going to make functions in calculus so easy why nobody explained it like before. So first of all, I will explain what is a function. Like, function is always defined by a special pattern f into x. F with input x. This is called a function, and we will assign some value to this, like f of x equals x plus 2. So now we will put some value for x and check what will be the output. So give input as x equals to 2. So you will get f into 2 equals 2 plus 2, that is 4. The function give you 4 when you input 2. It's just a rule for turning x into a number. Now you can evaluate any function easily. Let us consider another case. You have f of x equals x square minus 1. Now you have to find the value of at some negative number, like at x equals minus 3. It's mean f into minus 3 equals minus 3 square minus 1, that is 8. So all evaluating means plug in, simply done. This is called the function. You will easily understand f may be G, may be H, any other alphabet will describe the function. Now we will understand the next topic. Many students are confused about domain and range of a function. Now I will tell you a clue to solve this, that what is a domain and what is a range. Domain means what's allowed for x, what you give the value for x, and range will be what outputs are possible. So what you give input is domain and what you give output is range. I will explain you by an example. So let us consider a function f of x equals x square plus 3. So you have to find the domain value. So function is defined for all values of real numbers. So you will say that because there is no square root, no denominator, so we can plug any value of x. So it's mean domain of x belongs to all real numbers, like minus infinite to plus infinite. So you have to find the range. Range means what outputs are possible. This is a parabola that open upwards. The lowest point is when x equals to 0. So f of 0 will be 0 plus 3, that is 3. So range will be equals 3. It's mean y will be greater than or equal to 3. And starting point is 0 and you have to find 3. Now I will explain another interesting concept, that is piecewise function. What is a piecewise function? A piecewise function is just a function with different rules depending on the value of x. Like you have f of x equals x square and the other value is 2x plus 1. Condition is also given. If x is less than 0 means x value is negative. So you will get the positive answer. And other one is if x is greater than or equal to 0. In this case, we will just consider the function acts in different zones. X is less than 0 means x is negative and x is equal to 0 or greater than 0. This is a piecewise function. Now, I will explain you what is the composition function. So, next one is composition function. So, composition function is when one function is inside another. You will remember this as one function is inside another. We solve the inside one first, then plug its result into the outer one. Let's consider the example to understand this as if you have f of x equals to 2x plus 1 and g of x equals to the x square, you have to find the value of f of g of 3. So you will solve this as, first of all, consider the function. You have f of x equals 2x plus 1 and g of x equals x square. So how to solve this? First of all, you will put the value g of 3. So g of 3 means x square means 3 square 9. Now plug this value into the f. So f of 9 equals to 2 into 9 plus 1, that is 18 plus 1, 19. So you get answer equals to the 19. So if you have learned something today, now it's time to prove it. Here is a special bonus challenge just for you, and it got everything we learned in one. The challenge is f of x equals x square plus 1, 3 of x minus 2. Condition is if x is less than or equal to 2 and if x is greater than or equal to 2. And g of x is equals square root x minus 1. Now, in this question, you will find the following things. First of all, and also tell the answer in the comment section. Find domain of g of x, a range of f of x, f into g of 5. You will have to find. If you are stuck, don't worry. We will solve this together in the next video. So hit subscribe and turn on notification for more maths challenges. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.